He wants to look chun. For a Chinese guy, chun means looking great. This is the design for his chun look. Very conservative. 1000 graft was placed in this design, filling up a bit of the frontal temple angle, slightly lowering down at the hairline and the anterior point, and coming to the frontal angle to the right. Again, we fill up here. So this is the irregularity here, and this is the irregularity on the left side. Why you choose design?
Cause more confidence and look great, looking better new trend for Chinese. Now it's June. Then I thank you, Prof. Dr. Dr. Jess G.